Brothers, sisters, friends, foes, family, and children of the Lord, welcome to another video, and thank you, thank myself for making that new intro. Um, it is currently 17:40, aka 5:40 in the afternoon, and it's been quite a minute. But as you can tell, I sound terrible, but at the same time, I'm actually getting better. So praise God for that. Somebody praise God for that. But I was just listening to some music, and I'm doing this little challenge that my friends actually helped me with. Um, I'm listening to my entire playlist at the moment, but I'm not playing it right now. I mean, yeah, whatever. That's not important. What's actually important is I came across Fight on Fighter, yeah, by For King and Country. If you haven't heard it, it's well, you probably have because we love FKC. Luke and Joel. Um, but I was listening to that, and it hit me. Fight on Fighter. Does that make sense? Fight on Fighter. It's I don't know how to describe it. It hit me like a truck. Cause like you can't tell me that God doesn't exist after I prayed for Him to help me, and then He gives me this song to listen to. So you can't. You really can't. It's not coincidence. I don't care what you say. It is not coincidence. It is a miracle. It is God. God did. Also, before this ends, I do want to say something. We are coming across a 3 minute mark. But Lucifer and luck are tied together. I have said this multiple times in comments to my family and friends. Uh, but I'll just give you a brief rundown. Lucifer, Luc, luck, Luc. That's really all it is. Therefore, Satan created luck, and we just didn't know it. Yeah, so that's all I want to say. I wish I could go further in shorts, but they're shorts. So yeah, yeah, that's all I want to say. Peace and love.